welcome to Whistling and Sundry. Today we're going to be playing a tune from The Legend of Zelda. I have never had the luxury of playing Zelda, but I have been told that this tune, Lost Woods, is what we're going to be learning. Also known as Saria's Song, is a tune that you're supposed to play in a place called Lost Woods to get a quest item. So without further ado, let's get whistling. So that was Lost Woods. I hope you liked it. Leave a like if you did. Leave a comment below. Subscribe for future content. Don't forget to hit that bell button too, because that's important. Don't want to miss a video. Alright, thanks for watching.